Louis go get it. Lose with the spike, she get it. Everything I got, she getting it. Yeah, Billy Sedan, she get it. Hop out the bitch, she getting it. Hop out the Lil, she get it. The Porsche Cayenne, she get it. I bought the two, she get it. A shot to the shoe, she get it. I put my kids on the TV. Anything she wants, she can get it.
Hey guys, it's NSG Styles here with my first YouTube video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install frontal wigs. This is my lovely client Miriam. Yeah. So as you can see, I already put on her stocking cap, and now I am putting got to be glued gel on the cap, and then later I'm gonna spray it. Here it is. I'm spraying it down with the got to be spray so that her stocking cap is secure on her head. Yeah, so while that's drying, I'm just gonna show you guys how I pluck. So my client wanted a middle part, so I put the wig on my mannequin head, put in the middle part, and I start plucking. When I pluck, I like to pluck behind the hairline because I don't want to make it bald at the front, so I always pluck a little bit behind. And now, as you can see, I'm parting out that front section because those hairs tend to pluck out easier, so I'd rather just leave them and pluck them at the end. So you guys can already see how bomb this is looking. I bleach these knots myself. I'm gonna do a video on how I bleach my knots another time, but I was gonna add it in this video, but the video would have been way too long. So now you guys can see the difference between the side I plucked and the side I didn't pluck. And yeah, so I went ahead and I plucked the other side off camera. So now I'm cutting off that excess stocking cap that was left over, and I'm taking powder. I have different shades to go with different skin tones, so I'm just putting the powder all over the front of her stocking cap. So now taking the wig off the wig. I told her to pull it down, and look where Shirley pulled it all the way down. So now I'm just cutting off the lace, extra lace from around her ears, so that she can tuck it behind her ears if need be. Yo, I look so focused. Do not kill me. Yeah, so I'm doing the same thing for the other side. Oh, and like at some point in this video, you guys are gonna notice that my elbows are ashy, and that's only because she came at 9:30 in the morning. Like, I didn't have time to prepare. I just had to go start her appointment. Like, I just woke up out of bed and just started her hair. So like, yeah, I didn't even have time to fix up myself. But as you can see, we're using GHOSTBOND glue, and I just put a little bit on that wig cap wrapper or whatever, and I use a popsicle stick and I spread it out. So the key to using GHOSTBOND is spreading out and doing the thinnest layers possible so that it dries clear, because I notice a lot of people say that it doesn't work for them, but that's because you guys are not using it properly. You guys have to make sure that you spread it out very thin and that it's clear before you put your next layer. So now that I put about 3 layers on, I'm just gonna pull the wig down and melt it into the glue. And I asked the client to help me by holding down the sides. Then I take my blow dryer and I blow dry everything into place. Yo, she's so happy. This whole install was a joke. We were just making the most jokes. So now I'm gonna repeat everything that I did on the front, on the sides. So I did that side, and then after you're gonna see me do the other side. And the goal is to make sure that everything is nice and flat. Everything is melted into the glue and what lace. So now I'm just cutting along her hairline, and like, she had a very unique hairline, so it was a little bit hard for me to work with. And because I made the wig pretty big and her head is so tiny, so like, we had to do a lot of altering, but in the end it all worked out. Oh, here I'm just explaining to her, like, yeah. So now I'm gonna do baby hairs, and I realized for this look that I didn't even need baby hairs, but you know, we gotta love our baby hairs. So I still ended up doing just not really like intense baby hairs, but just some little wispy ones. You guys are gonna see how it looks in the end. So I put mousse. I use mousse to do my baby hairs because I don't like the gelled down look. I like when it looks wispy. So now I'm just taking my wrap strips. Clearly I missed the whole front, but I'm gonna fix it after. There you go, you see I fixed it. She didn't know what she wanted, so I just put some mousse in her hair and just let it all sit. So I took off the wrap strip and now I'm just combing the baby hairs out so they're not flat on her head. And everything's nice and flat. I take some powder at the end, here we go, and I just put it over so that the lace matches her skin perfectly. And she's so amped. Oh my god, she loved it. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed.
You gon' get it. Lose with the spice, she get it. Everything I got, she getting it. Yeah, Billy Sedan, she get it. How about the bitch, she getting it. How about the little, she get it. The Porsche Cayenne, she get it. I bought the two, she get it. A shirt to the shoe, she get it. I put my kids on the TV, and then she wants, she can get it.